I'm back with another video today, and today's video is going to be a makeup clear out. I don't use anything that's inside my drawers anymore, and I think I just don't need it anymore. But I also think because my dressing table's like back here, when I do my makeup I don't tend to go in here because the things I use on the daily are back over there. Today's video is going to be a makeup clean out of my Alex drawers, and I've not cleaned this out for the longest time, and I thought I would do like a vlog type style video. I thought I would film it because people are really nosy. I'm really nosy. I love to look at like people's makeup, and yeah, just a nice chilled and relaxing video. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video, and I guess I will show you my drawers and we can just get started. Okay, so this is the top of my Alex drawers. I'm hoping to sort of declutter this, but this isn't a main concern for me right now. But yeah, so these are the drawers in question. Yeah, hopefully we're gonna be able to get through them, and please ignore this as well. So the first drawer I'm gonna go through is this one, and mostly in here is like skincare products kind of vibe, like anything pre-makeup is in here. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my tripod and we can sort of go through it. So I thought I would do a voiceover just whilst we're going through the drawers. This drawer was really bad, to be honest. A lot of it was just really random and I just didn't want it in there. I literally just wanted moisturizers, serums, and any sort of like face product, like skincare basically. And yeah, that was the aim, so I'm just giving it a wipe out. And yeah, so here's me then organising it into two sections. So we've got one side that was like eye products, and then one was like face, so like serums and moisturisers and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'll just let you finish watching me organise it. Okay, so when you open the drawer now, we've just got all my serums on this side and just like a spot blemishing pen, little mini razors. And then in this little pot here, I've just got all like eye products and eye creams and that kind of stuff. So everything else that's in here I am keeping. It's just I don't want it in that top drawer. So these are the products that I don't want. So what I'm going to do is get a makeup bag and fill it with products that I can give to my mum or friends and family. So the next drawer is all my foundations and like setting powders, not setting powders, like face sprays and stuff like that. Probably not going to get rid of too much in here, but hopefully we will. But yeah, so that's just an overview. Yeah, so let's empty this out. So I was super excited actually to declutter this drawer because I just had so many empty products like concealers and foundations that had gone off. So it was really nice to just sort of clear that out and get them in the bin really. And as for the face like mists and stuff, I think I kept pretty much all of them. So I originally put the foundations in this clear tub, but then I do move them to the pink one just because they fit a lot nicer and the setting sprays and face mists fit better in the clear tub. So yeah, that was quite an easy and straightforward declutter. Okay, so as we've opened the drawer, you can see that I've got all my face sprays to the left, so I just kept a couple of those, and then to the right there are all the foundations that I kept. But yeah, so that is that drawer. I feel like it looks so much better now, and I've still got a lot of space in there. Kind of feels like a waste, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this drawer now. But yeah, really successful. So let's chuck all these. And yeah, also I really loved this, but I know for a fact that that's gone off, so I might have to repurchase that. But yeah, pretty successful. So the next drawer that we're doing is this one, which to be fair isn't too bad. I probably just need to declutter it and just sort that out a little bit. So in this one I've just got blushes, bronzers, highlighters and like face makeup palettes just like here. So I'm first starting off by going through my blushes. Now a lot of these I really do love, but it was more just going through them and throwing the ones that I didn't use and that just needed chucking really. I do really want to start using some of these blushes because they're really pretty, but I'm so attached to my Rare Beauty liquid blushes because they're just amazing. But yeah, going back through the blushes, it made me realise, you know what, I've got other blushes that I love, so hopefully I will use some of those. And then I just went through the highlighters, and yeah, just popping those back in now. So I kept quite a few there. I'm not the biggest user of highlight, but I do want to get back into it because I do have a couple that I love, but I did get rid of quite a couple there. And then I've just put my chunkier highlights in the middle, and then I'm just putting the blushes on the side. So yeah, I feel like I did actually get rid of quite a lot, so I'm happy with that. I do have a Kylie highlighter, which was the Grinch one, but it actually came broken, so I do really want to fix that. But I will stop waffling and just let you carry on watching the video. Okay, so when we open the drawer now, we've got the blushes at this side, these massive highlighters here, and then just a bronzer. And then on this side we've got highlighters. So as you can see, it's drastically minimised, I think. I can't wait to show you what bits I have got rid of. But yeah, I'm hoping to venture into my blushes a little bit more. I've just been using the Rare Beauty ones for the longest time now because they're just amazing. So I feel like that looks so much better compared to before. So I've just put everything into two piles. So this pile I'm going to put in my little makeup bag and see if my mum wants them, and then I'm going to see if anybody else wants them if my mum doesn't want them. I'm really sad about this, but I just don't use it and it just wasn't pigmented enough for me, and I don't really use this, and yeah, just little bits that I don't use. And then this pile is the bin pile. So next we're doing the lipstick drawer. Now this drawer is so messy and unorganised. Anytime I went in here I couldn't see what I wanted or even get inspired. So basically I'm hoping to get rid of the lipsticks that I just don't wear, that have gone off. I've got a lot of Kylie products in there that honestly just need to be thrown, and a couple of Anastasia ones. But yeah, I didn't film an actual decluttering clip because I just had too many lipsticks. So yeah, here is the grand reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is my lipstick drawer now. As you can see, it looks so much better. Still looks like I've got a lot in there, but I feel like it's just such an improvement. So in this section I've got like nude, like lip products. In this one I've got like clear ones, like my lip plumpers. Then right at the back, these are just my red lipsticks, which I don't really gravitate towards much. And then I've got these lip products here, 2 Kylie, a Jeffree and a Spectrum. Then all my lipsticks that do have the colour on that side I've flipped around and left the rest there. So I think it looks so much better. I managed to get rid of quite a lot, so I will show you what I got rid of. So as you can see from this tub, I did actually get rid quite a lot. I got rid quite a lot of my Kylie ones and some Anastasia ones. So yeah, I will just go through these and chuck the ones that I think have gone off, and then the rest I can put in the makeup bag to offer out to friends and family. So next we're on like the eye drawer, as I'm gonna call it. I did forget to film like an overview of this drawer, but you can kind of see what it looked like just from this clip. So yeah, I'm just going through everything. I have a lot of loose eye pigments in here, old mascaras, loose eyelashes that you can probably see, and just like glitter glue and things like that. Going through this drawer was actually one of my favourites to go through because I saw all my loose like eye glitters and I was really inspired to actually use them because I haven't done like a glitter eye makeup look for ages. I am supposed to be, well, I am going to see I am seeing Melanie Martinez in November, and I'm feeling like I can really get creative with something, so I'm hoping to use some glitter eyeshadow in some way. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of the clip of me organising it and giving everything a clean, and I will hush up. So this is the eye drawer all complete. I'm so happy with it. I feel like it looks so much better. But yeah, on the left we've just got my eyelashes, my House of Lashes travel lash case, some brow pomade and some eyeliners, a moon stamp and a freckle pen. And then here are just all my glitters and like pigment, which I'm super excited to use. But yeah, I'm so happy with this drawer and just how it looks. So next I'm going to go through all my eyeshadow palettes. As you can see, I've got quite a lot in here and I genuinely can't fit any more. But I've honestly neglected so many of my palettes because this is just so, I mean, it's organised to an extent, but because they're all the way in my big set of drawers, I just forget about them and I just haven't used some of them in a long time. So I'm hoping to go through them, get rid of the ones that I don't want anymore, and then also reorganise them over on my dressing area. So let's see how I do. So this is what I managed to declutter. There is a lot of palettes in here that I used to really love, like the Soph palettes. They were both amazing, but they have definitely gone off and I've broken the packaging on both of them, so they are making a bit of a mess. But yeah, I'm really happy with what I've got rid of, and I finally decided to get rid of my Naked palettes that I legit never used, so it was pretty successful for that. So I normally have this basket at the side of my makeup station. I'm hoping all of these palettes can fit in here because I don't want them in that drawer because I'm just not reaching them. I do use a lot of these palettes here, so I'm hoping all of these will fit in there, but we'll just have to see. And I'll catch you up once I've kind of sorted it all out. Literally these palettes fit in here so perfect. So I've just put them in size order, and just by looking at them I feel like I know what's in them, and now I'm going to pick them up more and use them. And then I think throughout my time, if I don't use them, I'm just going to get rid. I'm so happy that these all fit on here and I know what's what, so yeah, really excited to start using more of my eyeshadow palettes. So this is everything that I've decided to offer my friends and family, and the rest of it sadly had to go in the bin because it was either out of date or I'd already used it. But yeah, I'm really happy and I can't wait to show you guys the drawers and give you a bit more of an in-depth sort of look into them, so let's just get to that. So this is the grand reveal of all the drawers, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you what the drawers look like all together now, and I'm honestly so happy. So if you remember, the first drawer was just like skincare basically, and I love this. I did just add a little lip balm in here, just so it's easy to grab when I'm like near my bed and everything. So yeah, I've just got like a Nip and Fab serum, a Glam Fox serum, the Ordinary, and then a spot pen, a hangover primer, and this Revolution serum. And then in here I've got a simple eye roller, rejuvenating one, Avant, Revolution, a Glam Fox, retinol, and then this 11 Skin. So that is everything. Then in the next drawer I've got all my foundations and face sprays. So I've just got a Pixie one, 2 Mario Badescu, then I've just got this Calm Refreshing Spatial Spritz, a Milk Makeup, and then I've just got a couple of primers here. And then for foundations, I've just got 2 L'Oreal ones, a Becca one, a L'Oreal Skin Paradise, 2 The Ordinary, a Tarte foundation, Anastasia, and then a Maybelline concealer. Then in the third drawer I've just got some blushes, highlighters, more highlighters, and just a bronzer here. So for blushes I've got 2 Kat Von D ones, a Kylie one, Christine Brenton, a really old Topshop one, a Make Forever NARS, and then a Kevin Aquan. The highlighters, I've got two Benefit ones, Benefit Cookie and Dandelion Twinkle, Laura Mercier, Goddess of Love, a little Bourgeois one, Mary Luminize by The Balm, a Becca, and then two Fenty ones. And then in this section, I just got my Nightmare Before Christmas highlighter, a New A1, a Benefit High Beam, Cover It Bex, and then my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. So that is that drawer. Then next we have got all the lipsticks. So as you can see, I've got some Kylie, Anastasia, Huda, Sleek. I've got the Ariana collab with MAC lip gloss. This was Shiz back then. Absolutely loved this. And then two Kevin Aquan lip glosses. Then a little further back, I've got a Floss one, Too Faced, more Kylie, two Revolution ones from The Nightmare Before Christmas, a Frozen one, Cinderella lip gloss, some lip plumpers like Too Faced, Primark, and then some more Kevin Aquan lip products. Then right at the back, if you can see, I've just got Lime Crime, The Balm, more Kylie, and then we've got a Kat Von D one. Then in this section, I've got two Kylie. This one's so nice. This is from the Grinch collection. A Jeffree Star, and then a Spectrum. And the lipsticks, I've got some Topshop, a Colourpop one, Unco, Rimmel London. I've just got some MAC ones in here, the Lipstick Queen, Luna by Luna. And that is that drawer. Then for this one, I have got two Tatty Lashes single eyeshadow by The Balm. I'm not sure where to keep that, so I'm just keeping it in here. A little lash travel case, a KVD eyebrow pomade, a freckle pen by Lottie London, an eyeliner by Illamasqua, Moon Stamp liner. And then for glitters, wow, we've got a lot of NYX glitter. This Frozen like gel glitter, which is absolutely stunning. Like, and just the Huda Beauty matte and metal eyeshadows, a NYX crayon stealer, and some glitter glue. And that is that drawer. Then lastly, we obviously cleared out the eyeshadow drawer, so this is all that's left in here. These two, so the Urban Decay and the Chocolate Pod by Too Faced, I'm keeping just purely for nostalgia. Like, this was one of my first palettes. And that is my drawers. Yeah, I can't believe what I've made them look like now. I'll just quickly show you the palette situation. But these are where I keep all my eyeshadow palettes now, well, most of them. But yeah, some of my favourites are the Anastasia ones, the Too Faced Natural Look, more Huda. So this is where they're all being kept. But yeah, so that is everything. So that brings us to the end of the video. I cannot believe how much better my makeup and skincare drawers look. I'm so happy with them, and I can't believe how much stuff I actually did get rid of. I'm really proud of myself. I think the next area that I want to tackle is my makeup like vanity dressing area, because that's pretty bad too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Love you lots, guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.